Hello, it's me, Rubbish Ruby. I tried to film this video once before, and I'm fucking pissed. I literally deleted it. I was so excited. I was like, oh, I don't have to film Friday because I already have a video that I can edit and post. I don't have to worry about it. No, I can't. I don't get peace. Here we are doing makeup again. I'm not sure if I wanted to do the same look or not again. It was a really cute look, but like, I don't know. You know how I feel? I took another picture of a makeup I liked. I really liked this picture too, or this makeup idea. So I think I might try to kind of recreate that one more, which this one looks pretty like simple to me because it's just a big eyeliner and some freckles and a few little beauty marks, and I have a little star stamp because y'all have to know I am a shaky bitch. Like, I'm just shaky. I'm not that shaky right now, but I'm a shaky bitch. And I will not be asked to do the stars. I'm not doing that right now. I'm not in the mindset for that because I'm not. So this is kind of like more of a me makeup look, but it's inspired by someone else's, if that makes sense. I can't see either. My vision is very bad, so if I'm super close up, it's because I can't see. I wore contacts last time, but I got some Pinky Paradise lashes, and I didn't really want anything that dramatic, so I just went for like literally regular lenses, and I cannot get those out of my eye for the life of me, and it takes so much time and it just pisses me off. So I just am not seeing, because I don't know how you contact lens girlies do it, but like I felt like I literally had to dig into my eyeball for it. Like, it was not cute, to be honest. It was not cute at all. But anyways, I'm starting out with just concealer. I just used the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like it's basic, but I don't know if it's relevant anymore, to be honest. Like, this was the shit when I was doing makeup as a teen. Like, everyone wanted the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know how to describe it, but it was like, it was popular. Are you joking? This will not blend out. Okay, there we go. This doesn't feel as concealed though. I might go a little crazy with blush too. I'll see how I'm feeling. That's kind of what today's makeup is. I need to film a video. I want to film a video. Some people have been asking me like different makeup tips and stuff, so I guess follow along. I'll try to point some things out. Concealer I just kind of put wherever. I get really red in these corners, and I also get really red down here. So that's how I manage that. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Kimchi foundation again. I love it. It's very high coverage. It's very nice. Very slay. I like how it makes my skin look. Ignore my armpit hair. I swear to God, if anyone makes a comment about my fucking armpit hair! Gremlin! Why did you talk about my armpit hair like that? Gremlin. Speak to me when you're being spoken to. Speak when you're being spoken to. He won't meow anymore. The minute I said don't talk about my armpit hair, so I think he was talking about my armpit hair. And I think that's kind of fucked up because he's literally all fur. I'm also putting some on my forehead because I have baby bangs. Oh, there he goes. He's gone. So I cover that up for the most part with my bangs, but I like to make sure I have some of it covered because otherwise it's just weird. I feel like I have really textured skin, so I kind of go hard with the foundation, making sure it gets in every crevice. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty contour stick. Contour stick. I don't know why I said it like that. I usually like to go like that. I like kind of a masculine contour. I don't know why. Oh, that kind of felt intense. And then I like to contour underneath my chin. It just makes me feel a little bit more snatched. I'm a round-faced girly, so you know the vibes. But yeah, I like my face to look more, I wish it was more, you know. I really fucked up on this. It's okay because I blend most of it out on my nose anyways, so I don't think it really matters. And then I use my beauty blender. Y'all, yesterday was fucking wild. It was the day that I deleted my file on accident. I was so pissed. I was like, I'm not gonna let this get to me. It's gonna be fine. And then like I thought about it more and I got really upset because I was like, well, what am I supposed to do now? Because like I had planned all day that I was gonna, or edit this video all day. I was gonna finish it before I went to bed. And then I was like, fuck, I don't know what to do anymore. And it was like differing. I have a to-do list and it was differing off the to-do list. Like I couldn't finish that item and it really drove me nuts. I ended up crying like a little bitch and I was really cranky, and Daniel wanted to go to Target, so he made me go to Target thinking it would make me feel better, but I was just like really cranky the whole time I was there, so I feel really bad because I was just like, I didn't want to be there. Then I started feeling shitty about my body on top of all of that. I don't know why, but like the minute my head is like, I'm not feeling too good, my brain is like, here's everything you're ever sad about. Here it is. Here it is. You want that? Would you like that? Bitch. But that's what my brain likes to do, and it sucks. I would rather it do literally anything else. It's like when it rains, it pours. I know that's stupid, but that's how it is in my brain. Like a sprinkle? No, bitch. The whole day is over. Everything's ruined. You know why I have this problem? It's because I have anxiety and OCD and fucking autism. So what are you gonna do about it? This feels so dark. I usually don't go this dark with my concealer. I feel like this is really dark. I feel like it's so dark everywhere. Do I know how to do makeup anymore? I just need to put on my powder, my old crusty powder. All of my makeup is so gross, and I'm not sorry because I bought a lot of makeup when I was like 16, 17, and I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna put that to waste. I don't care if it's expired. I'm gonna die of something anyway, so yeah, I'm just powdering. This is the Fenty Beauty like lavender. Is it called Lavender Haze? I'll check once I'm done with it. But yeah, I was talking about me being young, and I remembered that I get a lot of compliments on like how I do my makeup, and a lot of people are like, oh, like I'll never be as good as you, blah, blah, blah. It's literally just practice. I'm really not that good. Oh, it's just called lavender. I'm really not that great. I just started doing makeup when I was like 13. I was very intense about it. I was wearing it literally probably every day age 13 to 17. I think I wore makeup every single day basically, which I do not do that anymore because I don't have time. And I think when I was 18 I just gave up on doing my makeup too, because it was like I spend so much time doing my makeup in the morning and I could be sleeping, and I'm a tired senior. That's how I learned to do makeup. This, by the way, is called Freck. It's Freckle Noir. It's you basically put little dots on your face like that, and then you just go like boop, 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 boop. And yes, the noise is necessary, but I swear by this. I have been using this for so long. I just really recommend it. It works really well. This thing lasts forever too. Like, I know they're $30 and I feel like that's kind of off-putting, but when I tell you this is, I've probably not bought a new one since I was 20 and I'm 23 right now. Granted, I'm not doing makeup every day anymore, but, and I was really into freckles too when I first got this. Like, it was every makeup look I was doing freckles. And these just look so natural too. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I think they look really natural. And I think I'm using a dark one. So they have two different frecks. They have one that's like a dark one, which I think is this one. And then they have a lighter freck, and you're supposed to be able to use them both together, like in tandem. Or if you have darker skin, it'll be easier to use like the darker one. I think it's really cute and simple, and it lasts a really long time, so slay. Next I'm gonna do some blush. I like this palette a lot. It's called Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I'm not 100% sure. I like this one a lot. This has been my favorite like go-to palette for a while. I always kind of try to like match it to my outfit. I feel like maybe I'll use this one today. I'll use my crazy one. This is the ColourPop Powerpuff Girls collection. Fighting Crime, I think is the color. So we're just gonna go crazy. I really like doing this kind of thing with my blush if I want to feel more like more sharp, more masculinated. I know it's blush and nothing about that is masculinated, but like it helps give the illusion that I have like high cheekbones and I'm like this cool bitch. But yeah, I don't know. I kind of blend it out like that. I go crazy. I don't care what anyone says. I have always been a crazy blush bitch, and I'm so sick and tired of people being like anti-blush before they even fucking try it. And they're like, man, I love blush now. It's my new personality trait. Shut up! I will gaslight gatekeep girl boss. I only gaslight gatekeep girl boss when you're gonna shit talk it first. Like if someone is like, oh, cosplaying is so fucking weird. This is totally not from my own experience, by the way. Like, oh, cosplay is so fucking weird. That's such a weird thing to do. And then starting to do cosplay and like actually like, what, ma'am, what? That's my personal pet peeve right now. I don't know. I feel like, okay, growing up, I got absolutely flamed for the shit I liked, for liking alternative fashion, for all this stuff. And now all of the people are like doing alternative fashion, and I love to see it, but it's also so frustrating to see someone who shit on you for dressing alt dress alt and you're like, excuse me? You don't get to make fun of me and then take over my fucking interests. Kind of fucked up. I'm using this next. I used it in my last video too. I don't know. It was from a like Sephora Moschino collection where they did makeup that all looked like utensils and like this was like supposed to look like a highlighter. I don't know if you can get this anywhere else anymore. I genuinely don't, but I think it is like the best for highlighter. Like for real. Like if you want to do I'm talking too fast. If you want to do like the heart nose trend, this is really good for that. It's very simple to do that. I don't even know how much is in here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna be set for life. It's still going. Okay, I was a little worried. I'm very unworried now. My worry is gone. I have not a single worry. So they do like a bigger star and then a smaller star here. I think I'm just gonna do one big star maybe. I don't know, I want to do the bigger star, but I'm kind of nervous, y'all. I don't really know if I'm ready to tackle that, you know? Oh, fuck. No, no. God, please no. Ooh, that looks really nice. That's a really good job. I don't like taking my makeup off and redoing it. I'm just a bitch, okay? I'm sorry. And it doesn't help that I'm so shaky. Like, that's the one thing that I've been hating about makeup lately is like, there we go. I'm such a shaky person. Like, I've gotten significantly shakier since I started makeup. And so it's like, I kind of just have to go for it or I get fucked. And it's literally so scary. So shaky. I want to do bigger stars, but I just don't know how to do it. Like, how would I do a bigger star? Like, I'm just so nervous to try. I know how to draw a star. Do I try it? I like how it looks though now, but I also want to challenge myself. I try to make it moderately bigger, but I feel like I should draw the like star thing, right? Like, it's kind of a star. Oh god. So you can just tell I'm so shaky because it looks very wobbly, but it kind of works. I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of giving art. It's giving I'm an artist. And this is going to be covering up my glasses too, isn't it? Oh, no. Perfect. It sits right where it needs to be. I mean, they're definitely not great, but I think they have character, you know? And I think that that is what matters, is the character that my little stars on my head portray. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner, which I'll go over a little bit. The first thing I do is I draw a line from here to here, or like if you want it to be higher up, you draw it up higher. If you want it to do like puppy dog, you can go like lower. I'm just going for like a regular wing, so I'm gonna go around here, but I have to get close to do it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then I try to re-even them out. Like this one I made a little bit too flat, so I'm kind of straightening this one out. And then I draw a triangle. I just literally keep your eye like this and just bloop, like just draw it like that. Oh no! No! Oh my god. Okay, it's fine. Don't look at me. Oh my god. Your bitch is especially shaky today, apparently. It's fine, because we wanted that part to be chunky anyways. Okay, and then I made this one a little bit longer too, so I'm gonna do that. Don't question my way of doing eyeliner. It works for me. How did I do that? Love that. When that happens, I usually incorporate it in the look, but I really don't want to do that type of wing right now. I don't really care if you can still kind of see it, because I feel like it kind of adds to the vibes. Okay, and then we got to do really big inner corner. This is definitely the biggest wing, the inner corner I've ever done. Don't know if that's impressive or not, but how did that happen again over here? What the fuck? Hi, I'm so sorry if you moved and if my makeup looks significantly worse. My camera decided I'm just not gonna record and also not tell you. We're just gonna stop recording for shits and gigs. So this is where we're at. I was just getting done with saying, this is what I mean when I say I'm not good at makeup. Because a lot of people are like, oh, like you're so good at makeup, and it's like, not really. Anything like super easy I can do no problem, but anything like this is like impossible for me. And like I know it's because I'm shaky, but like it just kind of feels bad. Like it sucks that that's the reason that I can't do makeup, not because I don't have like the talent, but because I don't have the hand. No, I never have this issue this much. I never have this issue this much. This is insane. Do you see that? That's a hate crime. That's genuinely a hate crime. We're recording, okay. I'm gonna pack it up. No, I'm just kidding. I can't though. Oh my god. I'm also just gonna put some highlight in here. They use a little bit more eyeshadow. I just said fuck it to the eyeshadow. That's why my liner is doing that, is because I didn't put a powder on it. Usually I at least put a powder on it, but I decided not to today, and we're suffering the consequences. And that's okay, because we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna teach you to work with your mistakes. And I'm just gonna go rip, and then it'll look intentional. See, look how intentional it looks now. This was intentional. I don't think it looks bad though. I mean, these guys are definitely wonky, but like, for my first time ever doing this, no, it's bothering me. I switch up so fast. I'm like, yeah, it's fine. No, it bothers me. Like 10 seconds later. It was totally fine until 10 seconds ago. Okay, I kind of think I ate. Like, it slays, but it's not that great. I'm gonna drink, not my coffee, but some water, and you should too. I was gonna say sponsored by water, but my camera decided to shut the fuck down, and that was really funny, really fun. But if you want to help little old me out or help support me, you can check out my Patreon, and you get to see all of the cool things I do all the time. Like, you get videos first, you get pictures of my cats first, you get a lot of arts and crafts content. So if you want to check it out, it would be great. Maybe I can buy a new camera that doesn't die every like 10 minutes. I also didn't ever mention that I was using NYX eyeliner. I don't know why I find it so hard to talk when I'm putting things on my eye. Like, I feel like that doesn't make sense. So it's not like I'm moving anything when I'm talking. How much can I ramble for? Today is just proving to be a rough makeup day for me. And you know what? Let's normalize it. You can't be good at makeup every day. Unless you can, then fuck you. I can be mediocre at makeup every day, but I cannot give you good. Then I'm also just putting eyeliner over the lash so it kind of hides it better, because like when I close my eyes you're gonna see that they're fake eyelashes, but you can kind of hide that a little bit with that. I'm putting on my glasses next. My hair is all kind of wild. My stars look so sad. You know, it's fine. It's fine. I feel like it's still cute, and it definitely gets the vibe across. So I feel like I cannot complain too much, because I feel like for being a really shaky person, I feel like I did a pretty solid job, you know? Like, I did a star. You can tell they're stars. They're just like running away. Like, they're stars in action. Like, we're like, wait. But next I'm doing is my lipstick. I'm using this NYX, I think. I love NYX. This NYX lip pencil. And I'm gonna use that first. I want to try this one thing that I've seen. I think their name is Emma. I don't know what their full username is, but I'll put it here, or like a picture of them. They do this thing with their lipstick where it like goes like boop, like and I want to try it. Ooh, this one looks perfect. This one looks kind of janky. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Don't look at me. Don't look yet. Don't look. Please promise me you won't look yet. Thank you. You kind of have to do it with your natural like end of your lip. I think it's cute. Once I put this on, I think it'll make it look better and less crazy, but you know. Ooh. Oh, also the lipstick I used was Sephora matte, what's it called? Cream lip stain. I fucking love this shit. I love this shit so much. I have loved that shit since I was like 12. So I stand by it. I will put my check mark on it. I know that means a lot, you know, I've got millions of fans. I'm literally a millionaire. I have so much money. Please ignore the fact that I don't have an intro or an outro to this video. I'm kind of a fiend and I don't know what the hell I was doing. And no, this is not me talking at the same time. I'm just voicing over this so that you understand what's happening. The video's over. If you want to subscribe, like, comment, whatever, you know, do your thing. All my links are in the description. But thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.